Hi everyone, my name is Satvik Rongo.
And my name is Arnav Thakur, and this is our app Colovision AI.
And with our app, what we're trying to solve is colorectal cancer, which is a disease that develops in the colon part of the stomach.
So this cancer develops very silently, so there are no noticeable symptoms in early stages. That's why it's the second most common cancer-related death, because patients are diagnosed too late. If they were diagnosed earlier, survival rates would be 90%. But because they're being diagnosed too late, survival rates are only 12% in later stages. In fact, in rural areas where they have less access to colon cancer screening because of their access of technology and specialties is not as great.
Now, keeping all those challenges in mind, we developed Colovision AI. And before I get into what the app is, one of the major things that our app does is actually increase the early detection rates because this app offers a very ease of access to rural areas and also research grade professionals that are using this to diagnose their own patients. Basically, we just increase the efficiency of the app and how that is being used. Essentially, Colovision AI is just a web app that uses machine learning models to analyze and predict colon tissue images and predict whether that tissue is cancerous or not. And now for a quick demo of what our Colovision app actually is.
So this is what it looks like when you first enter the app. Let's just switch it to light mode to make it more visible. And here is where I will upload a image of a cancer cell, which is actually a tumor cell. So let's see if our model can accurately
And
detect it.
essentially, what the model is doing here is it's going to be analyzing the tissue cell, and based on the data sets that it's actually being trained on, it's going to say whether that tissue is a cancer cell or not. And in this case, as you can see, it has been predicted tumor with a confidence level of 95%.
And over here is a GradCam focus map, basically a heat map of what the model is actually looking at. So the highlighted areas in blue is what the model focuses on, and this is just a visualization of how our model works. This is we used the VGG16 and the catheter colorectal histology dataset.
And now we're going to be talking a bit about what actually happens in the background of the app. So this is the data set that we use. We use a total of 1,000 images and just a variety of images to train our model. And now explaining what model we use. We use a CNN, a convolutional neutral network. And what this is actually really good for is recognizing patterns within the data set. And it consists many layers, so it can focus on recognizing patterns again and again.
And at first, our model didn't detect very well. So we added augmented CNN and transfer learning CNN, which is more layers, which may help to detect better. And we hope you like it.